Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson! Today is Wednesday, May 10th. It is the 130th day of the year. There are 235 days left. Happy National Clean Up Your Room Day.
Spring cleaners get their wish granted each year when National Clean Up Your Room Day arrives on May 10th. Children often dread this parent-appreciated day, though some years the observance arrives with perfect timing for Mother's Day. However, the observance doesn't only target kids. It's also about picking up, straightening up, and cleaning up the whole house. Adults take spring cleaning seriously and homes get aired out. They organize, declutter, and rearrange. It's time to fix the broken and match up missing parts. We tackle cluttered closets and donate or throw away those things we no longer use. Clean your room, make your bed, get rid of toys and clothing you've outgrown. The day helps sheds, garages, and cabinets see the light of day. Drawers and under the bed get thoroughly organized too. Find ways to repurpose items around the house. Make a list and spend some time getting your home looking and feeling clean and fresh for summer. Today is also National Shrimp Day, National Lipid Day, and National Washington Day.
Okay, National Dayers, so the fastest way to start cleaning up the earth is to get some practice by cleaning your room. Plus, you'll win some points with Mom and Dad. Gather the following supplies. You'll need a coffee filter, a spray bottle of water, and then water-soluble markers. This means like markers that smear when you get them wet, not like a Sharpie. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is color all over the coffee filter with the different markers. And because we're doing the earth, we're going to do blue and green, but you can actually do this with any colors and it works really cool. Have fun with it. Mix and match and color and color and color. When you're all done, you want to take the spray bottle and you want to spray the filter and the markers with water, and you want to really spray it. You want to make sure the whole entire filter is soaking wet. And what's going to happen is those colors from the markers are going to start to spread and run together and create a really cool design or pattern. So this one's going to look like the earth because we did blue and green, but you could pretty much do this with any colors and see what you come up with. Pretty cool.
Okay, National Dayers. Do your part by cleaning up the earth. And you know how to do that? Well, hello, little man. Just clean up your room. It's a great start. Then, as you get older, you can come up with cool ways to help our earth. And your parents will appreciate it too. Keep smiling, have a wonderful Wednesday, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!
It's time for super spectacular shout-outs.
Shoutouts today start us off with Miss Mejia and everyone in her SPED grades 9 through 12 program at Madera South High School in Madera, California. Next up, we have Mrs. Butler and everyone in her 2nd grade class at Buchanan Elementary School in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And our third shout out today goes out to Teacher Jody, Teacher Karen, Teacher Raisa, and Teacher Mary, and everyone in the grades 6 through 8 program at Bridgeview Middle School in St. Paul, Minnesota.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout-out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout-out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated super spectacular shout-out map.